Seeing lots of wildlife along the river here. So beautiful, peaceful out here in nature. And the water levels are low currently through the river, and this limestone is exposed, these ancient rocks. It's incredible to see. Wow, look at this piece of cypress tree here. It's fallen into the river. You can see where many of these rocks over long periods of time have eroded away, and there's various formations within the rocks here caused by flowing water here in the river. Just amazing. And some of the formations in the rock don't look natural though. Really interesting. Let's take a look. You can see this edge here on these rocks as if it was just split in half here. And these rocks are what's underneath all of Florida. You can see all the formations, holes, and how many of these rocks have eroded away. And that's what happens underneath our feet here throughout the state. These rocks erode as water seeps into the ground and flows through them, creating channels, passages and openings, sinkholes. Seeing these rocks out here, observing part of the ecosystem. These cypress knees out here are truly amazing. Different formations and sizes. Some taller than me. It's incredible. And you can see how they grow. It must take a very long time. These cypress trees are very unique, each one of them. And when you come across trees like this, it's always good to look all around the tree and see all the details, because this one here, you can see the base of the trunk. And you walk around the other side, you can see where it opens up and the tree is completely hollowed out on the inside. Normally, a lot of water gets into these areas on the floodplain of the river in these swamps. You can see the water lines on the trees throughout the area here. So it's really neat to walk through here when it's dry. Other times of the year, you would be underwater in this area. Here by the river, this is very interesting. You can see these steel cables and a pulley. This is fascinating, exploring on the swamps by the river here, seeing lots of limestone formations, mounds, rocks all around the area. Now, over long periods of time, Native American Indians built up these mounds utilizing limestone in this area. It was a valuable resource, making tools and weapons, and this may have been some sort of quarry or work site used in the past. An area where the natives hunted, traveled through, camped out, possibly built village sites all around this area as well. I can see a mound right here, a formation going up into the woods. That's the limestone embedded into it and around it. There's a creek bed here along the edge of this mound. Lots of rocks here in this area. It flows out into the river. Look at all these cypress knees throughout the area.